A good trading setup for opening a medium-term long position. We've got a very good monthly candle in April, no need to rush. Big capital never buys or builds positions during a downward trend. I think that within 2 to 3 weeks, a good trend-based medium-term long will be established here. Hello everyone, you're on the Old Trader channel. I'm Vladimir Krasev. Today we're going to look at two stocks that are preparing to form medium-term trend longs. Today we'll be looking at Apple and Microsoft. I suggest we start with Apple. A very interesting candlestick configuration. Notice that after 3 months of downward movement with one false breakout upward, which we saw in February relative to January 2026, right now we see how the current monthly candle in April with its maximum body values is higher than the maximum body value of March. The upper wick goes higher than the wick in March. And if we stay in this configuration, then my friends, we'll have a situation where on a medium-term correction on the weekly time frame, we can look for a trend-based medium-term setup. Note that the maximum value for April is at the level of $274.27. Let's switch to the weekly time frame. Here's the situation, and we see that if again we start forming a corrective model for the breakout on the monthly charts, then on the medium-term time frame we can see after the corrective model ends a good trading setup to open a medium-term long position. So keep an eye on this stock. I think that within 2 to 3 weeks, a good trend-based medium-term long will be formed here. And the second stock I'd like to draw your attention to is Microsoft. The situation here is very similar. If we look at the long-term trend, the monthly trend, the situation here is even more pronounced. Why? Because we've been going down here for quite a while. Notice quite a powerful downward movement. Here we've reached a very serious support level that was formed in November 2021. The level of $349.67. And notice we have a very good monthly candle in April, a proper candle body, proper wicks, almost identical at the bottom and top. The candle body is higher than the body of the previous monthly candle. The upper wick goes higher than the upper wick in the previous month in March. And again, if we switch to the medium-term time frame, then after the formation of a corrective movement on the weekly charts on the medium term, you see a corrective movement has already started to form on the weekly charts. After it ends, we can also see a very good medium-term long in Microsoft. So pay close attention to this. Once again, there is no need to rush. Big capital never buys or builds positions during a downward trend. So wait, friends, for what we see on the higher time frame. Let's go back to the monthly time frame once more. Wait for a situation where this downward trend ends with a breakout on the monthly time frame. Yes, a breakout. The maximum values of the candle body will be higher than the maximum values of the previous month's candle body. The upper candle wick will be higher than the upper candle wick of the previous month. And only if we see such a configuration with our own eyes, then, my friends, we wait for a medium-term correction on the weekly time frame, and a good trading setup emerges for making a trading decision and opening a medium-term long position. So pay close attention to this. Friends, if you understood what I'm talking about in this video, be sure to give it a like. Wishing everyone successful and profitable trading. We'll talk and see each other soon.